Summer is here again, and the starfruit trees are blooming with beautiful purple flowers. These small, delicate flowers cover the trees, making them look enchanting and magical. The sight of the trees filled with purple blossoms is like a scene from a fairy tale. As the flowers fall, they scatter all over the yard, creating a lovely purple carpet. This carpet of flowers reminds us of many happy memories from past summers. We remember running around in the yard, playing games, and enjoying the warm weather with friends and family. The scent of the flowers fills the air, adding to the sense of magic and wonder. In the soil, hidden from our sight, caterpillars transform into cicadas. This transformation is a secret and magical process that happens underground. When the cicadas are ready, they crawl out of the ground and climb up the trees. It is amazing to watch them emerge and begin their new lives. Soon the air is filled with the loud, continuous song of the cicadas. Their singing is a familiar and nostalgic sound of summer, bringing back memories of long, lazy days spent outside. The cicadas' song is like the soundtrack of summer, making everything feel more alive and vibrant. As the day turns into night, their chorus continues, creating a soothing background melody. The sun is bright and warm, shining over the sidewalks and making everything sparkle. Its rays dance on the ground, creating beautiful patterns of light and shadow. The sun's warmth makes us feel happy and energized. The days are long and sunny, perfect for spending time outside and enjoying nature. We can go for long walks, have picnics, or just sit outside and relax. The sunshine makes everything look more colorful and cheerful. We can feel the warmth on our skin, and it makes us appreciate the beauty of the world around us. The wind blows gently through the leaves, creating a soft, rustling sound. This gentle breeze feels cool and refreshing, providing a welcome relief from the heat of the sun. The rustling leaves create a calming and peaceful atmosphere. The old almond trees, with their thick, sturdy branches, have ripe fruits that are ready to fall. These fruits are a deep, rich color, and they hang heavily from the branches, waiting to be picked. Picking these fruits is a fun activity that brings people together. We can make delicious snacks and desserts with them, adding to the joys of summer. The fruits are sweet and juicy, a true taste of the season. The river, clear and inviting, welcomes the children who come to swim. The water is cool and refreshing, a perfect escape from the hot sun. Children splash and laugh, enjoying the cool water on hot days. The river is a place of fun and adventure, where children can play and forget about everything else. They can explore the riverbank, look for fish, and make new friends. The sound of their laughter and splashing adds to the lively atmosphere of summer. The river is also a place for quiet reflection, where we can sit by the water and enjoy the peacefulness. In the fields, people are looking for grasshoppers. They walk carefully through the tall grass, trying to catch these small, quick insects. This activity requires patience and skill, making it both challenging and fun. The fields are green and full of life, a perfect place for summer adventures. The grasshoppers jump and chirp, adding to the lively sounds of summer. Catching grasshoppers is a simple yet exciting way to spend time in nature. It teaches us to be observant and appreciate the small creatures that share our world. The fields are also filled with other insects and animals, making every walk an opportunity for discovery. Some people remember the rainy days when they used to search for hog plums. These yellow fruits are sweet and juicy, a delicious taste of summer. The memory of searching for hog plums in the rain is a cherished one. When the rain falls, it cools the air and makes everything smell fresh and clean. The sound of rain is soothing, and it brings a sense of peace and calm. Searching for hog plums in the rain is a fun and memorable activity, one that brings people together and creates lasting memories. It is a reminder that even rainy days have their own special charm. The rain also nourishes the plants and trees, making everything look greener and more vibrant. At noon, under the burning sun, children go to the dikes to catch crickets. The dikes are hot and the sun makes their hair feel like it is burning, but they don't mind. They are happy and full of energy, enjoying every moment of their summer break. Catching crickets is an exciting adventure that requires quick reflexes and determination. The children run and laugh, their voices echoing across the fields. They feel a sense of freedom and joy that only comes with summer. The hot sun makes the adventure more challenging, but it also makes the reward of catching a cricket even sweeter. Now the star fruit trees are blooming again, and the purple flowers fall, covering the yard. These flowers remind us of the good old days, of the fun and happiness we had. They bring back memories of long summer days, filled with laughter and adventure. Each flower is like a little piece of the past, reminding us of the simple pleasures of life. The sight of the falling flowers is both beautiful and nostalgic, making us appreciate the passage of time and the moments that we cherish. In the evening, when the sun begins to set, the sky turns beautiful shades of orange and pink. The heat of the day slowly fades and a cool breeze begins to blow. The changing colors of the sky are a beautiful sight, signaling the end of another perfect summer day. The cicada's song softens, and the sounds of the countryside grow quieter. It is a peaceful and beautiful time, perfect for sitting outside and enjoying the beauty of nature. We can relax and reflect on the day, feeling grateful for the simple joys of summer. The evening is also a time for stories and songs, for gathering with family and friends to share the experiences of the day. Summer in the countryside is a time of beauty and joy, a time to remember forever. It is a time when the world seems full of possibilities, and every day is an adventure. The purple flowers of the star fruit trees, the song of the cicadas, the warm sun, the cool river, and the green fields all come together to create a perfect summer. These memories stay with us, reminding us of the simple joys of life and the beauty of the world around us. They are a reminder that summer is a time to be enjoyed and cherished, a time to create new memories and hold on to the old ones. The experiences of summer fill our hearts with happiness and our minds with stories that we will tell for years to come. Each moment of summer is precious, from the early morning light to the soft glow of the evening. The season is filled with activities and experiences that bring people together and create lasting bonds. Whether we are picking fruits, swimming in the river, catching insects, or simply enjoying the beauty of nature, summer is a time of joy and wonder. The memories we create during this season are like treasures, filling our lives with warmth and happiness. As we look back on these moments, we are reminded of the importance of appreciating the simple things and cherishing the time we have with the people we love. Summer is a celebration of life, a time to embrace the world around us and find joy in every day.
Dân gian tiếng ve đong đưa ý đồ sẽ kỷ niệm ngày xưa lại đến mùa khê lễ đơm hoa tím. Giặt tay sớm nỗi nhớ một thời